Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new, make sure you hit the subscribe button before you leave today. And let's get right into the food. I'm going to show you how to make my chicken Alfredo. Typically done with fettuccine, I like to make it with cavatappi. You'll see why in just a minute here, but the base of the dish is going to be the same. So the Alfredo is usually butter or cream. We're going to use cream and Parmesan cheese. As the cheese melts, it emulsifies with the liquid to form this smooth and rich sauce that completely coats the pasta, and it's out of this world. Step number 1, cook your cubed chicken with salt and pepper and a little bit of olive oil. Add in 3 to 4 cloves of crushed garlic and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. You're just trying to develop flavor in the bottom of the pan and get the chicken brown. You don't have to worry about cooking it all the way through because when you add the chicken stock and the other ingredients, it's still going to continue to cook. Then add in 4 cups of chicken stock and 2 cups of heavy cream. You can use unsalted chicken stock or broth. Just make sure in that case that you use less cheese and you don't salt the pasta before you put it in, or else the salt's going to overpower it. So just ration it out based on whatever kind of chicken stock that you're using. And in the meantime, while that comes to a simmer, I'm going to grate my cheese. Yes, grate your cheese by hand. Grab a big block of cheese. Even use locatelli, just something that's better quality than the green packaged stuff or anything with a caking agent. You have minimal ingredients. You want to use a high quality product. Cavatappi is a type of macaroni that's scored with lines or these little ridges on the surface, and it's tube shaped. So it's perfect for Alfredo. It's going to absorb every bit of sauce. It's actually the Italian word for corkscrew. Fun fact of the day. And it's one of my favorite pastas. So I'm adding in 1 box or 1 pound. Give it a stir, add a little bit of salt and pepper. And you just want to bring that to a simmer before you cover it and cook it for 25 minutes. I definitely recommend trying to find cavatappi, or even you could do, what is that other one called? Fusilli. You could do fusilli too, which is pretty similar. I think it's almost the same thing instead of fettuccine for a little bit of a twist. And it makes it this really thick pasta, almost like a macaroni and cheese. So you can see when it's done, fast forward, this is 25 minutes later. That sauce is so rich and creamy that it's coating the back of the wooden spoon. That's exactly what you're looking for. You get that rich, creamy coating without adding any butter, although we did add 2 cups of heavy cream. Then I'm adding in 3 to 4 cups of grated Parmesan cheese. 3 to 4, give or take, based on how much salt is in your chicken broth or chicken stock. Mix, and then your cheese should start to melt, and that sauce will just get even creamier and more rich. Just like that. Absolutely perfect. Sprinkle on some fresh parsley from the garden. And that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Simple ingredients, but good quality ingredients. If you really want to indulge, you can add a little bit more Parmesan cheese on top. To get the full recipe, you can look at the description below, screenshot that, cook right along with me. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and have a delicious day.